In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps and Services. Then choose App Twin over here and click on gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on no blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!